Hey everyone, welcome back. Oh, looks like I have a call coming from the HR team. Let me just quickly pick it up. Hello.
Hi, Rishit Gupta. This is Henry, the HR head at FlowTechOwn. Is this the right time to talk to you?
Yes, please tell me.
Thank you, Rishit. I'm pleased to inform you that you've been shortlisted for the first round interview for the role of engineer at FlowTechOwn. To move forward, could you please let me know your preferred date and time slot for the interview? If you have a few options, feel free to share them and I'll check availability for you.
Okay, let's do it 21st October, 9 a.m.
Let me quickly check if October 21st at 9 a.m. is available for your interview. Great news, Rishit. The slot on October 21st is available from 9 a.m. to 9:45 a.m. IST. Just to confirm, your interview is scheduled for Tuesday, October 21st, 2025, from 9 a.m. to 9:45 a.m. IST. Does this work for you?
Yes.
Awesome. We will be sending out an email with the booking details shortly. And if you have any concerns or queries, please write to us at hr@flowtechone.com. Thanks. Have a great day.
Did you see how easy it was? Like an AI based outbound call was made to me and I was directly scheduled for an interview. This can be very helpful for those who are running small startups and small businesses, those who want to expedite the process of hiring, right? So let's take a quick look at how this workflow actually works and what all things are required. So let's assume I'm someone from FlowTech One Labs and I have floated out a form for Flowgrammer. My team is hiring for a Flowgrammer. In case you are curious to know who a Flowgrammer is, Flowgrammer is a person who is specialist in automation, who can use no code, low code tools and design, build and manage different workflows. Someone who is very capable of doing things in N8N, make.com, Zapier and all these things. Now I've mentioned few skill set and requirements. I've mentioned what are the perks of working with us, and later on I have mentioned the candidate can enter their full name, email, phone number, and attach their resume. If I come to my sheets, what I can see is I have full name, email, phone numbers, resume of all the candidates who have applied for this job. Let's say I've closed the form now, and what I can do is come to this N8N workflow and just simply click on execute workflow. This workflow will start executing and start making calls to the candidates. Now you might ask that will the call go to every single candidate? The answer is no. What will happen is that AI, once you click on execute workflow, AI will generate a resume summary of the person who has submitted their resume. Then they will mark the person as shortlisted. Either it will be yes or no. It will be based on what the job description says. If the job description is asking for someone who has worked with N8N, Zapier or something like that, then the candidate will be shortlisted, and that shortlisting will happen based on the resume summary that the AI has generated. Once the criteria matches for the person to be a right fit for the organization, AI will also give the reason why they have actually shortlisted the candidate. So the candidate had experience with no code, low code platforms, and is a perfect fit for Flowgrammer role. Next, what we have is that whatever the date, time, and meeting link of the interview is, everything will be mentioned here, so that any HR personnel or someone who is hiring can directly click on this meeting link and reach to the meeting itself for the interview. And next, what will happen is that there will be summary of the call. So basically, if the candidate is talking to AI, they might have some concerns, or they might also share some points that they want to tell to the AI, right? So all these things will be mentioned here. So for now, it has simply mentioned that the user felt positive and has confirmed for the engineering role, right? And what we see after that is that once this is completed, the call has ended, the workflow will move automatically to the next row. And in this, what you can see is that Jessica is a mobile developer. So currently we are not looking for a mobile developer. That's why the candidate was not shortlisted. And AI has also given the reason why the candidate was not shortlisted, right? So that was all about what was happening in Google Sheets. Now let's take a quick look at how the workflow actually works. So it will start picking up rows from the Google Sheets that we saw. It will pick one by one in batches, and it will start extracting the ID and start downloading the Google Drive file so that it can be sent for analysis. So I am currently using Google Gemini for analyzing the document, and once the document has been analyzed, it will update the row mentioning the resume summary that we saw in the Google Sheets. And once the resume summary is there, it will pass it on to AI agent. AI agent is smart enough to understand that this is the resume summary that the user has given, and I already have the job description. So it's my responsibility to give, a thumbs up if the candidate is shortlisted, and just simply say no if the candidate is not shortlisted. And let's say if the candidate is the one who is the right fit for the organization, then we will make him an interview call. And this is the node that we are using currently to make the interview call, right? So yes, that's all about this workflow. I'm pretty much sure a lot of you might have found this very fascinating. If you do, then do let me know. And if you have any ideas around what could be built next using N8N, then feel free to share that as well. Until then, have a great day. Thanks for watching, and bye.